Time now for us to look at some election-related stories from across the country. The CPIM has written to poll panel against Prime Minister Narendra Modi for invoking Sabrimala issue. Left claims that the PM violated model code of conduct and polarizing voters. Modi, while addressing a rally in Theni, had accused Left and the Congress party of playing dangerous game in Sabrimala. Modi said that there is a bid to strike at the root of faith in Sabrimala. BJP General Secretary Kailash Vijayvargiya has announced that he will not be contesting the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The BJP leader said that he keeps the interests of the nation and his party above his own. Vijayvargiya will now focus on Bengal after he was made the BJP in charge. Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray has come out in support of Prime Minister Modi and attacked the Congress. The NDA ally said that the Congress, which is involved in scams, is calling PM Modi a thief. Uddhav referred to the alleged scams under the Congress NCP rule and claimed that if the opposition came to power, the country will plunge into chaos. BJP's candidate from Pilibhit, Varun Gandhi, urged voters not to make him win with a margin of more than 3 lakh votes. Varun mocked his Samajwadi Party rival and claimed that if he has a bigger victory margin, the opposition candidate might have a heart attack. Samajwadi Party nominee Hemraj said that Varun needs treatment, but his mother has not built any hospital. AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi accused the Congress of fomenting fear psychosis amongst Muslims. Owaisi was referring to Navjot Singh Sidhu's statements at a rally in Bihar's Katihar, where he said that Muslims must stay united and ensure Congress's victory.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.